Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Uh, Scorpio people, in this reading I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Scorpio people, this is your current energy, Ace of Wands, and these are your partner's current energy, the Hermit and Three of Pentacles. So let's talk about your current energy first, Ace of Wands. Scorpio people, you are like really desperate to start something new, okay? And perhaps universe is asking you to start something new in your life, okay? You are feeling I mean, you don't want to be in your current location anymore, okay? You just want to be away from your current location, current situation, current energies, okay? And you feel that now your purpose is solved, okay? Now you have served your purpose, okay? Your work has been done on your current situation or your current location. Now you just want to see what is going to be there for you, Scorpio, in life. So perhaps you are somebody, or you are being somebody who wants to start something new in your life, okay? Moreover, I feel Scorpio people, the moment you will start working towards your own goals, towards your own finances, towards your own success, towards your own expansion, okay, universe is definitely going to help you, okay? Universe is definitely going to make your dreams come true for you, right? Right. Now let's talk about your partner's current energy. So we have the Hermit and Three of Pentacles. Scorpio people, I feel that your person is going through really tough time in their life right now. Okay, they have been isolated right now. Okay, they are completely all alone. They are not talking to anyone. I mean, they are surely going through some kind of a tough time in their life. Okay, and they must be talking to some people or some seniors or some associates or some business partners or some elders. They must be taking guidance from them. But when it comes to love and emotion, they have just cut all their connection with you. Perhaps they are seeing the way out. They are looking for a way out to be okay. I mean, they are just seeing the way out to be out from this tough situation. They must be talking to a lot of people. They are taking a lot of advices from all the elders within their family, within their friends, okay? They must be taking advice from their business partners, okay? And something is happening within their life. They are not telling you anything. They have not disclosed anything in front of you, and they have simply cut all the connections with you. They are not talking to you right now. They are they don't want to talk to you at this point of time. That's what I'm seeing, okay? And while going through this tough time with this Hermit card, I feel that they are being observant too, okay? Who all are actually with them and who are not. They have cut all the connections from you, but right at this point of time they are judging people. They are observing people's behavior towards them, how people are reacting on their tough time, how people are helping them. Are they really helping them, or they are just pretending to be with them? So this is the time, this is for them, this is their current observation time. I mean, they are observing things, they are analyzing things, they are analyzing people's behavior towards them. And yes, they are surely going through some kind of a tough time in life. That's why they are in discussion with a lot of seniors, a lot of elders. They are talking with so many people at this point, this time, right? Now let's see, Scorpio people, how you see them and how they see you. Scorpio people, we have two cards, Page of Cups and Nine of Swords. I feel that since they are not talking to you, okay, they have cut all the connections with you. So you see them as somebody who is, who is offering their emotions to someone else. So you see them as somebody who is a player with this Page of Cups. So you feel that, okay, this person does not want to talk to me. They don't want me in their life anymore. So they must be talking with other people. That's what they are doing, but not in terms of emotional things. But you don't know, you are not aware of that thing because they have not told you this thing, that they are going through some tough time in life, Scorpio. So you are seeing them as somebody who is being very flirty right now. They you feel that, I mean, you see them as somebody who is, offering their emotions to somebody else. Okay, you feel, you see them as somebody who is not ready to take you or to be with you in love and emotional attachment or relationships. Okay, plus with this Nine of Swords card, you also see them as somebody who, you know who who wakes up, or who's, who does not who doesn't sleeps in night. Okay, perhaps you feel that they are, talking to somebody else, so they spend all their nights to in talking to the other person or the third person. Yes, you see them as somebody who is a player. You see them as somebody who is investing more in terms of emotion and affection, and you see them as somebody who is not giving enough time to you. They are not talking to you. Okay, they are perhaps, you see them as somebody who is talking to somebody else. Okay, and they are being somebody who doesn't, who talks with that person all over their night. Okay, they are not taking any rest. Okay, you see them as somebody who does not want to let go this imaginary person. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody, Page of Pentacles. Your person sees you as, you have that potential, you have that capability to turn your things upside down. Okay, or to turn the situation 360-degree. Okay, they see you as somebody um, who has knowledge, skills, which can create wonders. Okay, and with this Page of Pentacles, they also see you as somebody who is always eager to take certain steps towards your own financial freedom, or towards your own goals, towards your finances, towards your growth. Okay, now let's see, Scorpio people, how you feel about them and how they feel about you. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. So Scorpio people, with this Two of Pentacles, you feel them as somebody who is a juggler. Okay, because you see them as somebody who is a player. So you feel that this person has so many emotions. Okay, this person is handling so many affairs at same point, at same time. Okay, this person is involved with so many people right now. Okay, so it's, this thing is being like really a juggling thing for them. Okay, so you feel them, or you feel about them, that they are a big time juggler. Okay, who has to keep everyone happy, who has to be with everyone. Okay, and yes, I told you that you see them as somebody who is a flirty person. Okay, so yes, you feel that this person is with so many people. Okay, now we have Queen of Pentacles. Scorpio people, with this card Queen of Pentacles, your person really adores you, right? Your person feels about you that you are somebody who has everything in life. They see you as somebody who is a motherly figure. They see you as somebody who is a provider. They see you as somebody who is a healer. They see you as somebody who is a nurturer, right? They feel that if they are going to be with you, you are going to be the best partner for them, right? I told you that your person sees you as somebody who can things, who can turn around the things 360 degree, and they see you as somebody who can create wonders. Again, similarly with this Queen of Pentacles card, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is a provider. Okay, they see you as uh, this know, and they have no doubts on your capabilities, Scorpio people. They know that when you are going to be with them, you are definitely going to give your 1000%, right? You are nurturer, you are protector, you are giver, you are like a mother in this relationship. You are the only source of strength for them, right? Okay, now let's see, Scorpio people, how they feel in this relationship and how you feel in this relationship. Let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Okay, and how they feel in this relationship. So we have Six of Cups. You feel, Scorpio, that at some point at one time your person comes and gives you a lot of happiness, and on the other hand, they just immediately shut down themselves. Okay, they immediately cut all the connections with you. Okay, so in this relationship, you feel that whenever you want them, they appear in front of you. Okay, um you you believe it or not, but yes, at some point of time you feel that yes, if I want to meet this person, they make all the arrangements to come forward and meet you. Okay, they make all the arrangements to come forward and talk to you. Okay, and with the Six of Cups card, you feel, I mean, whenever they meet you, you feel really happy that presence, I mean, their presence makes peace in your life. Your presence fills your heart and mind with a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, and a lot of love. Knight of Pentacles. Your person does not want to wait in this relationship, or they don't want you to be, or they don't want you to keep on any kind of hold. Okay, they surely wants to take some action towards you, but yes, since they are going through tough time in their life, that's why they are holding back. Or I feel Scorpio people, they must be talking with their family and friends about you only, right? It could also happen that they are talking about you within their friends and family, that I want this person, I want my Scorpio person in my life. Okay, so I feel that there must be some discussions going on regarding you within their family and friends. That's why they are not holding back anymore. They surely wants to try something new in this relationship. They surely wants to make a move towards you. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Scorpio. Scorpio people, you are underestimating your person. That's very bad. Okay, okay. We have Four of Cups and Knight of Swords. Scorpio people, future potential for you is Four of Cups and Knight of Swords. Scorpio people, I feel it's you with this Four of Cups card who is not seeing what universe is offering you. You are just thinking and you are just being sad. Okay, you are just ignoring what universe is offering you. You are being somebody who does not want to see what is coming towards you. Perhaps this is your person, Scorpio people. This person is coming towards you. Okay, this person is coming towards you to offer something. right? I told you that they are surely going to take action towards you, and I feel that it's you will be sad, okay? Um you will be ignorant towards them, but yes, they are doing their own part, they are doing their best, okay? They are definitely going to be with you, they are rushing towards you, and definitely they will come forward and talk to you and offer you something, okay? Perhaps they are definitely uh, they are going to be here, okay, and to just to wake you up that, hey, I'm offering you such emotions, why are you not seeing them, right? Now let's see, Scorpio people, what angels are telling you. Let's take angels messages. Angel messages for Scorpio people. Recovery. Okay. If you are going through heartbreak, then heal yourself. Not the right time. Perhaps this is not the right time for them to move forward. Okay, perhaps this is not the right time to come forward and talk to you. Okay, but yes, I'm 101% sure that the right time will definitely come. And once you will heal yourself, they will surely come towards you, right? Right. Okay. So Scorpio people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Page of Cups, Six of Cups, and Four of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles plus Page of Pentacles too. And some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords and Nine of Swords, right? So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.